Hey guys, this is Miles from Swiss Crypto Podcast, and in this video I'm gonna talk about Swiss banks and their stance on cryptocurrency. So stay tuned and let's get into it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to click the subscription button down below, click the bell to get notified. I try to upload at least once a week and bring some well-researched content right to you. So let's start. I think we can all agree on that the adoption of cryptocurrencies by banks, even though they are centralized, is a very big point in the future of cryptocurrencies, in the adoption amongst normal people when they can access cryptocurrencies with their banks, with their banking account, which makes it a lot more easier and also more trustable for the people that aren't into the blockchain technology as much as we are. And for that, I did a little bit of research on what stance are banks taking in Switzerland when it comes to cryptocurrency. The first one I want to talk about is the Julius Baer Bank. Julius Baer announced a collaboration with SEBA Crypto AG, SEBA, which is a cryptocurrency-focused bank, also from Switzerland. And they said, at Julius Baer, we are convinced that digital assets will become a legitimate, sustainable asset class of an investor's portfolio. The investment into SEBA, as well as our strong partnership, are proof of Julius Baer's engagement in the area of digital assets and our dedication to make pioneering innovation available to the benefit of our clients. And I think the most important part from this statement is we are convinced that digital assets will become a legitimate, sustainable asset class of an investor's portfolio. If you all looked for a reason to still hodl, to still believe in cryptocurrency, search no more, this is it. Just follow the money. I mean, if banks start to state opinions like this, that cryptocurrencies, digital assets, will become a sustainable asset class in the future, then you would be insane to disregard these signs and to sell your cryptocurrencies right now. Julius Baer doesn't only offer their clients access to crypto over SEBA, they also offer storage, transaction, and different investment solutions by experts from their bank. Next one is the UBS Bank. Some of you probably know that one, a very big bank from Switzerland, also distributed in large parts of America. And this bank actually is quite conservative when it comes to cryptocurrencies. They released a research paper in 2017 called Cryptocurrencies Beneath the Bubble, where they state, while we are doubtful cryptocurrencies will ever become a mainstream means of exchange, the underlying technology, blockchain, is likely to have a significant impact in industries ranging from finance to manufacturing, healthcare, and utilities. We estimate that blockchain could add as much as 300 to 400 billion US dollars of annual economic value globally by 2027. And from this statement, you see, as I just told you, they are quite conservative when it comes to currencies, to cryptocurrencies, but they are very straightforward with their opinion on blockchain, the technology, and where this technology will go. They talk about that blockchain could add as much as 300 to 400 billion dollars of annual economic value, which is huge. And that's what I always tell myself or my friends when I'm looking for a new cryptocurrency to invest in. Always search for the use case of the cryptocurrency. Always search for the technology that it's based on, which blockchain that it's based on, and what projects that this currency or the company behind the currency is trying to fulfill in the future and what markets they want to improve. Next up is the Credit Suisse Bank. Credit Suisse is also a little bit conservative. It's a very big bank from Switzerland. I think together with the UBS, one of the biggest banks around. And their chairman, especially their chairman, Mr. Thiam, is very suspicious when it comes to Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And he said that he believes Bitcoin is just pure speculation. Still, Credit Suisse organized a congress in New York to talk about cryptocurrencies and blockchain. And they had about 300 attendees who went there to talk and listen to different projects and congresses there. And we've also heard rumors from Credit Suisse Intel that said that analysts are working on cryptocurrency and that specialists will help customers to get into cryptocurrencies if they want to. So on the one side, we have the chairman, Mr. Thiam, who says he doesn't believe into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency at all. But on the other hand, we have a team of specialists working at Credit Suisse. They are organizing events to talk about blockchain and digital assets, cryptocurrencies, and they also offer some of their customers, not all of them, but some of them, they offer them specialists that will help them to get into cryptocurrencies. Another bank is the PostFinance bank from Switzerland. And this bank already launched a blockchain project, which is called Blockchain for Utility, or B4U. And they want to simplify energy billing for customers together with another company, but they don't offer cryptocurrencies solutions by their bank yet. But still, you can see there is work done. They are also working on blockchain products. And if you have a look on their page, they also offer a whole page on how to buy and trade cryptocurrencies without any banks. So this is a bit special in my opinion, because most of the banks that I know and that we see are either conservative about cryptocurrencies and don't want to offer anything related to it. And there are the other banks that launch a cryptocurrency exchange. But this bank, PostFinance, offers a simple page for customers that are interested in cryptocurrencies. They tell them what they are, how they can get them, and what they should be aware of if they buy them, without wanting to get the customer's money or without getting the customer to buy cryptocurrencies with one of their solutions. So I found this quite special in comparison to other banks, but I really do like that. That shows that this bank wants their customers to get information about new products that come out, and will probably see some cryptocurrency solution for their customers in the future. The next few banks that I'm going to talk about are all private banks from Switzerland, so they are a bit smaller than UBS or Credit Suisse. The first bank I'm going to talk about is Falcon Private Bank, and they offer investments in Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and also Litecoin. They also offer a crypto newsletter called CIO Crypto Monthly that everyone can subscribe to. After I took a closer look at Falcon Private Bank, this all looked very cool. Their page looks very, very smooth and nice when it comes to cryptocurrency, and also their monthly newsletter that they offer. So I thought, yeah, I could imagine to invest with them. When I dug a bit deeper into it, I found out, as you would expect for a private bank, that only customers that want to invest more than 500,000 Swiss francs, or about 500,000 US dollars, are allowed to trade and participate in their cryptocurrency solution. So if you have $500,000, don't hesitate to write them and to try out their service. I don't have it, so I won't try it out. Next up is the Marquis Baumann Private Bank. They just did a short statement that they don't provide direct investments in crypto, but they provide its clients with experts if needed. So we've heard that Before, with another bank I talked about, with Credit Suisse, which doesn't provide direct investments but also provides its clients with experts or specialists to talk about cryptocurrency if the customers want that. I could imagine that this is also only for the very rich ones, but you see where this is heading. They offer that to their customers, and probably in the future we can see some new futures, some new cryptocurrency solutions by those banks. Last but not least is the Hypothekarbank Lenzburg AG, which offers bank accounts for crypto companies. So this is a little bit different to all the other banks who want to try to give a solution to their customer, to retail investors, but this bank, the Hypothekarbank Lenzburg AG, especially offers bank accounts for startups and cryptocurrency companies in Switzerland that want to open a bank account with a bank. And they just recently entered a partnership with Suisse to expand their position in the area. Suisse is a crypto-focused startup that provides IT solutions for investments in blockchain tech and digital assets. So you see there are also a lot of projects going on with those banks, even with smaller private banks. And I believe this all points into one direction, that cryptocurrency gets adopted more and more by the years. The signs are pretty clear to me where this is going. Still, please get informed about cryptocurrency if you plan on buying. This is not investment advice from my side. I just want to offer you some information. Let me know what you think about today's podcast down below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next podcast.